नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल 1। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन पार्क प्राइम कोलकाता में रखा गया। उपस्थित रहे फाउंडर सतीश लखोटिया, प्रेसिडेंट ब्रिजमोहन मुंद्रा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट राजीव सेकड़ी, सेक्रेटरी स्वीटी मंत्री, ट्रेजरर आदित्य कसेरा, जॉइंट ट्रेजरर किमी शारदा के साथ मेंबर्स एंड विजिटर्स। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
Joining this unique business meeting. Welcome to ABP Eastern Kolkata and India's first group of Alliance Business Summit. Thank you for participating in this today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a few special announcements today. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Be ready with your fortnightly 30-second presentation script. Remember that we will be combining the standard fortnightly presentation with the reference and testimonials into one 30-second member's presentation. When the first member presents his presentation, we request the next presenter to be ready with his presentation.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee till March 2024. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators. Chapter mentor, Mr. Satish Lakhotia ji. Business driver, Mayur Shah ji. Joint Treasurer, Kimi Sarda.
Good evening.
Chapter Growth Coordinator, Gyanvi Daga, Gaurav Mittal and Atish Makaria.
Good evening, everything.
Attendance Coordinator, Aditya Kasera.
Good evening.
Food and Beverage Coordinator, Ms. Sangeeta Beriwala and Ms. Sweety Mantri. Education Coordinator, Vikram Agarwal and Chetan Murarka.
Thank you so much for having me. Good evening, everyone. Myself Sweety Mantri. I'm the secretary of our chapter. I'm now going to give a brief detail about the rules each member has to follow in ABC 23-24. Members should give reason for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absences in 3 months. No continuance to absent. In case of more than 3 absences in a rolling quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send substitute. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for the growth of the chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formal only. Just few exceptional days as we celebrate some different days. Headboard should be informed about the absent 1 day before unless there is an extreme medical emergency. All members and guests should be punctual for their meeting and try to reach by 6:30 p.m. to enable proper networking. While giving 45 seconds presentation, a member should restrict his or her information about the category he or she is inducted on.
Aditya Kasera, chapter treasurer from member host. My role is to manage finances of the chapter. I am hereby announcing different award and recognition scheme for the quarter ending September to March 2024. For everyone 1-to-1 5 points, for everyone referral 5 points, for everyone visitor 10 points, for one business close 10 points, for one corporate meeting 50 points, for one new member induction 50 points, for one 1-to-1 congress 100 points, for one KYM 100 points. After every quarter, the leadership team will select 3 members with highest points as winners and will awarded merit certificates along with less rewards and gifts. Merit certificate will also be awarded to members responsible for bringing new members. Further, we will announce the member as on induction of new members. For 6 induction, silver member, for 10 induction, gold member, for 15 induction, diamond member.
Ritika Dagia. She's not there.
He's coming on the way.
Business driver, Mayur Shah, Anirudh Agarwal and Rahul Yadav.
Good evening, members and guests and visitors. First of all, my presentation. That is the most important thing. because entire thing will depend on your presentation. Members should know, in brief you have to give the presentation. If you make a lengthy presentation, half of the presentation you can give, half of the you have to skip. So you have to come prepared with your weekly presentation, and it should be read. It is not compulsory that you should speak without any paper and all. You can read your weekly presentation easily. And in your weekly presentation, your main focus should be on your business, what business you can do, and what are your main points, plus points. What are your, so that every member, and it should be interesting. It should not be a routine presentation. I am so and so, my business is so and so. Please give me some orders, so please contact me for your orders for business and all. No, it should be attractive so that members should hear and members should feel like, yeah, this is the man is giving good presentation, and way of presentation is also good. So definitely I can say that you will get good business. Second is, in your presentation, be absolutely on your subject. No here and there. Don't say that I started my business, my grandfather started this business 50 years ago and my company is 70 years old. Nobody is interested. That you can do when you have one-to-one and all these things. In your presentation, just most important things of your business. After presentation, once the meeting is over, try to do one-to-one. Because when the members are giving presentation, you should note down with whom you want to do some business, or with whom you can use some business, or with whom you can be attached for your business matters. So you should note down, and once the meeting is over, immediately contact those guys and fix appointments. If you can have a small check, you can have it here. Otherwise, fix the appointment, fix the timing. Immediately next day, third day, meet. Don't 7 days or next week I will come. That never comes. That never happens. Next day, if you are serious, other party is serious, next day it should be done. Try to do that. And one-to-one is very important. When you do one-to-one, to get best business, take your bio sheet, take your business sheet. Both the things. One which will speak about you, what you are, and the other will speak what are the items you deal. In other, you can write about your other activities also. And when you speak with one-to-one with the members, always you can discuss about your other business also. But main focus will be on your own category. Here you have to be very strict for your own category, even when you talk, when you announce anything. Only your category. But getting business, try to keep it in your mind. Okay, this man I will introduce so and so, he can get business. It's not necessary that you have to give business. Try to give reference. Try to give refer to other parties so that they get business. Keep in your mind that I have to give business. If you give business, definitely business is going to come to you. This is confirmed. So your focus should be how to give maximum business to others. These are the main things you have to follow, and every meeting you have to attend. That is another very important thing. Many members think, okay, once in a month I will go, one meeting I will miss. Because you don't know. Members may think that, okay, I have to meet so and so, in the meeting I will meet so and so, and I will give some business proposals and all like that. If you miss, means you miss your business. And members will forget you about your category, about your activities. If you are regular, your this introduction, this 45 minutes presentation is attractive, I can say, my friends, definitely your business is going to grow. So these are my small tips I am giving you, because I cannot speak much, otherwise he will put the bell.
I would like to ask all our captains to tell about their performance, speak about their team's performance in 1 to 1.5 minutes. We start with Mr. Rajesh Sikri.
Writer members, please stand up. Devendra Bajoria, Lee, and then Kaushik Mukherjee, Kush Agarwal, Neeta Das, Poonam Chandok, Pratibha ji, and Rakesh, and myself. So initially we were lacking behind, and now after a couple of interactions, all have started doing some business. Devendra ji has given a thank you slip to Satish Lakotia ji, 33,000. Greece ji has given Anirudh a business of 11,000 and 1,121 to Alok Poddar ji. Kaushik Mukherjee, Banerjee, no activity punched. Kush Agarwal done 1,121 with Raja Paul, passed 2 reference got to him, attended Chai Pe Charcha, Neeraj Kejriwal. Neeta Das did 2 121s, and Poonam ji has done 3 121s. Pradeep Bihar ji does not picking up the phone. Rakesh ji, no activity done. Myself did 1 121 with Sunil ji, referral passed. Thank you. And thank you slip to Rohan, 18,000. Thank you.
And Sonam Srivastava didn't post her activity, and I attended one one-to-one conclave where I did 15 one-to-one. Then I did a marathon 161 at Chandigarh office, and total business limit is 50 lakh. Past 2 referee. Thank you.
These activities, starting with myself, 10 1-to-1 done, attended Chai Pe Charcha hosted by Neeraj Kejriwal.
Your group, please.
I am finding only one member attended today, Manish. And substitute of Sunil.
Okay.
Attended Chai Pe Charcha hosted by Neeraj Kejriwal. Business given to Aditya ji, policy of rupees 8 lakhs. 6 referral passed, 1 business referral up to Aditya ji matured today, rupees 15 lakhs and closed. Today, Manish Tiwari ji 7 1-to-1 done, business given to Mahua ji rupees 800. Sunil ji 2 1-to-1 done, 1 referral exchange with Rajiv Sekhri ji. KD Singh 1 1-to-1 done, business given to Aditya ji of policy of rupees 8 lakhs. Thank you.
ABC and happy Holi in advance to everyone. I would request my team members to please stand up. Sudha ji, Vinit ji, Alok Bhaiya. I guess the rest of the members are not present. So our team activities are as follows. I will start from myself. I have done 4 1-to-1, 1 with Richa, 1 with Vishnu Agarwal, 3rd one with Brish Bhaiya, and 4th one with Suvendu. Business given of rupees 70 lakhs to Richa. Business given of rupees 8,000 to Vishnu Agarwal, and business given of rupees 9 lakh to Suvendu. And a thank you slip of rupees 79,000 to Vikram Bhaiya. Now the activities of Sudha ji. Sudha ji did 3 1-to-1, 1 with Udvi Raja ji, 1 with Neeta ji, and 3rd one with Archana Patodia ji. Business given of rupees Neeraj Thakur rupees 4,000, and to Kush Agarwal rupees 1,000. And activities of Alok ji Poddar did 1 1-to-1 with Girish Saraugi, and business given of rupees 2,000 to him. And Vinit Kejriwal ji, business referral passed to Dr. Mahua Bhattacharya. And my 3 members are still inactive: Bhagwan Das ji Agarwal, Hari Gopal ji Lakhani, and Shalini Garg ji.
3 1-to-1, Kush Agarwal ji, Sailesh ji, Rakesh ji, and business given to Rakesh ji 6,500, Ashish Sharda ji 50,000. Thank you.
Mayush Aji, Jagdeep Saudi, Dr. Mahua Bhattacharya, Mr. Rahul Shabani, Ms. Richa Masudi, Mr. Vinay Agarwal, and Mr. Vishnu Agarwal. So I myself attended Chai Pe Charcha with 23 1-to-1, given 2 referral. Mr. Vishnu Agarwal done 4 1-to-1, Mr. Mayush Shah done 4 1-to-1, Dr. Mahua done 4 1-to-1, Mr. Jagdeep attended Chai Pe Charcha with 16 1-to-1. Last no activity received by Mr. Vinay Agarwal, Isha Masudi, and Rahul Shabani.
There is some confusion. 1-to-1 in this way should not be calculated. The way we are calculated जो है उसको you mention है चाहे तो चलता है 15 people or 10 people like that. Don't calculate that as 1-to-1. तो 40-50 1-to-1 होगा लोग बोलेंगे कोई काम करना नहीं करे 1-to-1 करता है.
But Chai Pe Charcha is well
चाय पे
1-to-1.
चाय पे चर्चा you mentioned that. It's the first time that so that we have to discuss चाय पे चर्चा आपने किया. Mention that there were 7 members or 10 members with whom we have interacted.
My team is helping hands. Rajat Loya, Manish Tanuka, Anirudh Jajagya, Jai Lakhyani ji, Neeraj Thakur, Rohan ji, Rohini Das, and anybody else except Rohan ji. Given business to Rajiv Shekri 18,000. Given business to Chetan ji, referred a friend 25,000. Given a reference to Shobita Talukdar. And he got a reference from myself and invited a visitor with him. Correct. Two reference, one to Rohan ji, both to Rohan ji, sorry. And I've organized, Kimi organized a one-to-one, which two of the group virtually we had a good discussion. Hope it works out. Thank you.
Friends, my team name is the Achievers. I would like to call my teammates Brij Bhaiya, Pratik Lohia, Rashmi Jain, Partha Bhattacharya, Ronak Mitra, Ashish Ji Sharda, उनके substitute है, please stand up, and Meenal Doshi.
सब active members आपके group में.
Now my activities for the fortnight is Pratik Lohia, 1-to-1 in a group discussion which we have organized with Sweetie Mantri and Brij Mohan Mundara का तो बहुत ही लंबा है. 1-to-1 with Vikram ji, group Mayur Shah ji, Jitendra ji Botra, Manisha Maria, Rahul Hirawat, Ashish Sada, Anirudh Agarwal, Poonam Chandak, Pramod Kedia, attended Chai Pe Charcha and many more. Referral given to Kimi Sada, Neeta Dash, Vikram Agarwal, Ashish Sada. Referral received from Ashish Sada, Manish Chamaria, Poonam Chandak and Ishwar. Believe me, being a president, उनको कभी भी मतलब कोई ऑनर नहीं दिया जाता है, लाइक बाकी लोगों को इतना एक्टिविटी करने के लिए ऑनर दिया जाता है.
We would like to
सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिविटी यही करते Thank you everyone, thank you so much. ठीक है ना. Next, Meenal Doshi has done given referral to Udi Raja and बहुत हो गया ना. Actually, all the participants in my group is very much active and they are doing their best. And thank you, keep it up, boys.
Only in advance to all our ABC members.
Myself, Shamul Kumar Parvi. My mom, Manu Shalvi. My service, complete HR solution provider.
ABC होली, लाल हो या पीला, हरा हो या नीला, सूखा हो या गीला, एक बार रंग लग जाए तो हो जाए रंगीला. केमिकल से बनाया हुआ है नेचुरल तरीके से.
My dear friends, myself Archana Patil.
Chandrasekhar Banerjee and I represent Engineers and Care Solutions.
Bedsheets with use of holy festival evoke the vibrant spirit of joyous celebration of colorful event. Imagine beds adorned with sheets in shades of vibrant pink, bright yellow, lush green, deep blue mirroring the hues of traditional holy powder. Our bedsheets bring a lively energy to any bedroom. In your home, our bedsheets will add a touch of festive flair to your everyday life. Please do connect with me. Thank you.
This is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholenath Textile. We are
Good evening, everyone. Meenu Tulsian is a one-stop solution for all kinds of business incorporation and corporate governance. I am Neeta Das, a life planner with Tata AIA.
Happy Holi to all. Happy Holi in advance to everyone. I, Anirudh Agarwal, represent my firm Excel Devcon Private Limited.
3 दिन बाद होली का त्यौहार है. दीदी बहनों भाभीयों सबको बिना कुछ रंग लगाया जाएगा. इनसे आप लोगों को बीपी बढ़ेगा. चिंता न करें, हमें फ़ोन करें, हम दवाई आपको पहुंचाएंगे. दादाजी अंकल जो भी हैं, आप लोग मिठाई और ठंडे ढंग से खाएं पिए. डायबिटीज डेफिनेटली बढ़ेगा. अगेन चिंता न करें, हमें तुरंत संपर्क करें.
3 responses to a piece of design, yes, no and wow. And wow is the one I aim for. I am Richa Musadin, interior designer. Please feel free to connect to me. Thank you.
Bhumik Rajan, I am into makeup business. And happy Holi in advance. My name is Shobita Talukdar and I am the owner of JSL Winters.
Rahul Hirawat from Manomistry.com help you to buy the dream house for past 11 years.
मैं राजेश जैन, सुनील कुमार जैन को मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा हूँ. हमारा नेशनल लॉजिस्टिक नाम से ट्रांसपोर्ट का बिजनेस है.
Yamri Dada, representing IDK Solutions, a one-stop technological solutions provider.
Good evening, everyone. I am Megha Agarwal under the category of graphics and digital marketing. इस होली अपने बिजनेस को डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के हर रंग से सजाइए, चाहे फेसबुक लिंक्डइन का नीला हो कलर या इंस्टाग्राम का गुलाबी रंग, यूट्यूब के लाल रंग से पाए ऑडियंस का साथ।
And happy Holi in advance. Holi is a festival of colors and
Myself Jitendra Kumar Bothra from Harmony Global Partner and
Rakesh Jaswal, my vision to make stay on the bank of river easy, either for short stay in homestay hotels or stay in personal villas and home. To know more, do 1-1.
My name is Ashutosh Sharda. I am a substitute for Ashish Sharda and a business partner of Balaji Nivesh Private Limited. As we celebrate the vibrant festival of Holi, let us draw parallels between the joyous color of this occasion.
Holi in advance. My name is Jagdeep Shah. My company name is Deep Consultancy. I am into consultancy business related with the KMC world, like
CA Nilesh Kejriwal. क्या आप सीए आपके सीए आपको
My company IS Steels, we basically deal in steel scrap required by ductile iron foundries.
I'm very happy advance Holi.
Good evening, friends, and a very happy Holi to all. I'm Sudha Sarwal, fashion designer of clothes for the Almighty God. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of ABC Group, where I derive knowledge and interact with others about their business. For the last plus 15 years, I have been involved in designing clothes for the idols. Holi hai re rasiya, aaj bhi rajni. Holi hai re rasiya, holi hai re rasiya, barjodi hai re rasiya. Holi hai re rasiya, barjodi hai re rasiya. Aaj bhi rajni, holi hai re rasiya.
my name is Shailesh Ganeriwal and I am into laptop repair and computer repair. Good evening ABC.
Good evening.
Myself, Vikram Agarwal. I am into journal insurance for the last 20 years. Usually I make 30 seconds more today. As I am into journal insurance for the last 20 years, तो मैंने भी जब करियर चालू किया था तो सोचा कि ग्रुप जाता हूँ, बहुत पैसा कमा लिया है, तो लेट्स सेटल नाउ. But sorry, मेरा थोड़ा सा काम नहीं चलता है. So now I would like जो challenges हमने face किया, वो आने वाले लोग face ना करें. We have taken a संकल्प of making 2.5 lakh new entrepreneurs in general insurance. So we are making a first India's first company which is totally AI driven, and we have got registered yesterday in the name of Spripe Insurance Brokers Private Limited. And firstly, we are our first hand competitor is Policybazaar, and no other brokers are near to us because we are going to focus 100% on retail. We are going to open the first institute in India for insurance. So first India का पहला कंपनी है जिसमें A to Z सारा काम AI driven होगा, and we are going to make our company as a benchmark.
Good evening to all. And I think we should give our best wishes to Vikramji for his venture. It will also be a landmark in the history of ABC if it happens. And we wish him all the best. I'm in the business of electrical Cyprus brands, solar solutions, EV chargers. My main clients are all builders, architects, interior designers, corporate.
होली की अग्रिम बधाई. मेरा नाम सोनिया है, मैं प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हूँ. मुझे अभी मलाइका अरोड़ा से अवार्ड मिला है फॉर बेस्ट प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट.
It will always be cheaper to buy a house and get it financed. Like individuals who are looking to buy or sell or rent out their property at the best market rate possible.
Myself Ilan Bhatia. I am into travel and insurance mutual fund.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
And happy Holi. We often talk chai pe charcha. What is this? Chai. We are the manufacturer of tea. We can help all the retail sales and wholesale to my friends.
Happy Holi advance. Myself Pradeep Kumar Sharma. I represent IT related, any work security related.
रंगों की वर्षा, गुलाल की फुहार, सूरज की किरणें, खुशियों की बौछार, गुड़िया की मिठास, अपनों का प्यार, मुबारक हो आपको होली का त्योहार. होली पर खराब रंगों के बुरे असर से बचने के लिए आप बहुत तैयारी करते हैं, सावधानी रखते हैं. जीवन में आने वाली आकस्मिक बुरी घटनाओं के बुरे आर्थिक प्रभाव से बचने के लिए कितनी तैयारी की है? इलाज से बेहतर है सावधानी. आज ही स्वयं को सुरक्षित कीजिए, ऐसी जीवन बीमा लीजिए.
Good evening, members, and a happy Holi.
happy Holi.
Do you want to gain health, wealth, happiness, and prosperity, or are you planning to buy a new property and you expect that you make the right choice related to the correct layouts, shapes, directions, and energy level? I, Rajiv Sikri, Vasan Foundation Consultant, can help you with the nature of business, new business name, selection of suitable location, signing a new contract, starting construction, and providing favorable colors, shapes, signage, logos, stamps according to your birth element.
Myself Kimi Sarda from the House of Arya Jewels. वेडिंग के सीजन आ रहे हैं तो डू कनेक्ट मी, जिनके भी घरों में शादी है आपके फ्रेंड्स या फैमिलीज में. एंड माय टैगलाइन इज I enhance your beauty with everyday fashion at an affordable prices.
Good evening everyone and a warm welcome to all the visitors. For a food, it does not just satisfy your own taste bud, it satisfies your soul. So it has always been said, fill your plate with the colors of the rainbow, as what pleases the eyes pleases your body. So correct food, we prefer making correct food for your body, no MSG, no color, no essence. Do connect to me with any event that is happening around you and when
Sorry to all. Like a big one, Mumbai for Seven Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into low syndication for last 25 years, catering to all type of farmers. Usually people say nationalized bank में काम नहीं होता. I have done 25 crore loan in 7 days from nationalized bank. When 1-to-1 done, 10, referral given 4, referral received 4, business received from Rishi Agarwal 3 crore, Ashish Sarda 80 lakhs, 1 KYM, 1 Chai Pe Charcha and 1 cross group 1-to-1. Thank you.
Good evening friends, myself Satish Lakhotia from Narika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
Vastu consultant and numerology consultant.
We are turning brick and mortar stores into digital pages.
In the first month of the quarter, we are going to stop them from getting food coupons as well as for 45-second registration. There is some suggestion from our mentor that those who have been enrolled in the month of October to March, they can keep 1,000 rupees as renewal in this year to make it one go at one go. April से सबका renewal हो जाएगा. That will be, I think, better idea to do away with all this cumbersome idea of getting renewal fees twice or anything like that.
इस चीज को थोड़ा सा और enhance करते हैं. We are planning to have a get together for this Holi. Let me know how many members are interested in it. Having a together.
Please members raise your hands for interested.
Oh wow, good time.
What is the date?
We are just showing you the passes. This is for 25th of March. It's in Salt Lake Sanskritic Sadan. ये कलकत्ता का one of the most decent, बहुत ही अच्छा होली का प्रोग्राम ये लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. I've been there couple of times. Only 500 per person. That includes your entry, your fooding and everything.
From Gupta Brothers, so you need not to worry about the food.
Food quality as well.
Those who are interested, please collect it from Anirudh. He is the sole brain behind this program. So those who are interested, please collect it from Anirudh. Now, thank you everyone for attending and participating in this week's meeting and a positive contribution. I now request members and visitors to interact and introduce each other for next 10 minutes. This will help in meaningful and we have a group photograph.
Hey,